Yeah, it was hectic, but I want these kind of schedules after every World Cup, so I don't mind that. But yeah, looking forward for this series. We have been waiting for a month when we will go to the field because end of the day we enjoy ourselves on the field. So tomorrow we're going to start our first game. So really looking forward for that. Toss is something I never, uh, put lot of energy because it's uncontrollable thing. But this pitch is really good. Dew is going to play a huge role, especially in this ground. So yeah, we know we played World Cup games here. We know like what kind of pitch is that and how we have to respond. And yeah, we are preparing ourselves according to that, and hopefully we'll play our best shot. Our end goal is the World Cup only, the next T20 World Cup in next 6 months, and before that we want to play a lot of T20 cricket. So so from tomorrow it's going to start, and yeah, some new players in the team. Where it's the right time to have a give them a fair chance to understand how we have to go in the next World Cup. So yeah, it's a very important series for all of us, and as I mentioned, we just want to play with the free mindset and play how we have been playing T20 cricket from last couple of years. So yeah, it's a very important series for us, and hopefully we all give our best shot. Sri Lanka team has a very balanced side, especially the batting. The batting is because Chumari is someone, they are highly dependent, but the player around her play a very big role. But I think their spin attack is quite good. They've been dominating Asian, conditions. So yeah, we know their strength, we know their weakness. And now it's only about, we should think how we can give our best against them, and our focus is on that. As I mentioned, it's a right time to give them opportunity so that they can have a quite experience before going to the World Cup. T20 format is something which entire team loves the most, and yeah, I mean, I don't think we need to forget what we have achieved in last 1 month. That is something we worked really hard for it, but yeah, things we need to remember what which has given us the result to be part of at this stage. So I think, yeah, I mean, we worked really hard, and now it's a different format. And as a team, we are really looking forward for the next World Cup. Well, definitely things has changed. Our life has changed, and I mean, we were hoping for this life, this kind of atmosphere in our country, and very proud that things have changed, and now there is no comparison. People are celebrated the same way how we celebrated when India won. I wasn't born when India won first World Cup, but 2011 World Cup I watched very closely, and after that T20 World Cup. So I mean, yeah, we watched everything very closely, but wanted to be part of this celebration. And now, very happy the kind of response we got from all Indian fans. And now, yeah, new journey is going to start, and hopefully we'll go with the same mindset and same approach. In 2017 World Cup, we got a huge response from our country, and people wanted us to do well. But that time inside, somewhere definitely was not happy because we were going everywhere without trophy and without people were calling us world champions. But this time inside, that feeling was there, that satisfaction was there. We were happy, we were peaceful, we were humble, we were grateful that this time there is no talks one day that day will come when this team will become a world champion. So I mean, it's a small lines, but a lot of hard work and a lot of things were behind that. So I mean, this time went with more pride, went with more with peaceful mind. But last time when we were doing all this press conference and odd media, I think event, but the thing was there when this team will win the World Cup. But this time we went with full enjoyment. We were there fully. We were able to enjoy more than the previous one.